have glass windows where you could wash it. Not near my house. I know all the things it can do. Washing machine, it can make your clothes so clean. If you're mean, it doesn't care. It doesn't care. You could be mean, it'll still make you clean clothes. You could hang it, you could bang it, you could even fucking do anything. With the laundry, it can make it all clean. I don't like the drying machine. Cause you can see by the washing machine can do. Do you wanna see all the things that a washing machine can do? Of the basement, sometimes I don't even want to dry my clothes. I hand dry them when I put them outside to dry. That's the sound of my washing machine. All the things that it can do. It can clean poo and it can clean you if you up inside. If your name's Clyde. If you want a pop in the washing machine. That's all what a washing machine will do. All the things a washing machine